Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300 from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here I have disconnect, you may have in the middle, it depends of Android phone. Now, you need to just tap on it, but before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your device from your phone, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your speaker, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your device from your phone, you will totally remove it from your phone. Now let me tap on it, and as you can see, I still have connection with this speaker. I stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker, but I have it at the device list. So if I just tap on it, I will reconnect it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!